Welcome all of you. Today we are discussing about ray diagrams. How to draw a ray diagram for concave mirror. How to obtain image from a concave mirror. There are 4 rules for obtaining image from a concave mirror. In that, first one is, first of all, take a concave mirror. This is the concave mirror and it is the normal axis or principal axis, whatever. And when the incident ray is parallel to the principal axis, when the incident ray is parallel to the principal axis, the rule is when the incident ray is parallel to the principal axis and the reflected ray will pass through focal point, and it is the focal point, here is the pole and it is the center of curvature. When the incident ray is parallel to the principal axis, this is the principal axis, the incident ray is parallel, both are parallel, means the incident ray is parallel to the principal axis, the reflected ray, this is the reflected ray, the reflected ray will pass through focal point. This is the first rule. What is the first rule? The incident ray is parallel to the principal axis, the reflected ray will pass through focal point. And what about second one? Take a concave mirror and it is the normal axis, and here is the pole, it is the focal point, it is the center of curvature. And second rule is the incident ray is passed through center of curvature. The incident ray is passed through center of curvature. The reflected ray also is in same direction. The incident ray is passed through center of curvature. This is the center of curvature. The incident ray is passed through center of curvature. The reflected ray, this is the reflected ray. This reflected ray is in same direction. Means the directions will be different. The rays is same, but the directions will be different. This is the second rule. What is the second rule? The incident ray is passed through center of curvature. It will be reflected back in a same direction. This is second one. Next, third one. Take a concave mirror and it is the normal axis and it is the pole, it is the focal point, and here is the center of curvature. What is the third rule? When the incident ray is passed through focal point, the incident ray, here is the incident ray. The incident ray is passed through focal point. This is the focal point. And the reflected ray is parallel to the normal axis. The incident ray is passed through focal point. This capital F indicates the focal point. The incident ray is passed through focal point. The reflected ray is parallel to the principal axis. This is the third rule. Simple. It is opposite to the first rule. Here incident ray is parallel. Here reflected ray is parallel. Here the reflected ray will pass through focal point. Here the incident ray is passed through focal point. This is same, but diagrams will be different. Here next, fourth one. What is the fourth rule? Take a concave mirror and it is the normal axis and here it is the pole and it is focal point, here is the center of curvature. When the ray strikes on a pole, the incident ray strikes on a pole, it will be reflected back. The incident ray strikes on a pole, it will be reflected back like this. Here it is the reflected ray. In this case, this is the angle I. Angle I. Where is the angle I here? This is the incident ray, this is the normal axis. What is the definition of angle of incidence? Angle I means angle of incident. Angle of incidence definition is the angle. This is the angle between the incident ray. This is the incident ray and the normal axis. This is the normal axis. The angle between the incident ray and the normal axis, this is called angle I. This is angle I. And angle R. Here is the angle R. The angle between the reflected ray. This is the reflected ray and it is the normal axis. This is the reflected ray and this is the normal axis. Here is the angle R. What is the fourth rule? Angle I is equal to the angle R. Means simple. The angle I indicates the angle of incidence, angle R indicates the angle of reflection. In this case, angle I is equal to the angle R, means angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. So, it is indicated plane of reflection means law of reflection. It obeys the law of reflection. The fourth rule obeys the law of reflection. About law of reflection. These are the 4 rules to obtain image